Look, my squad half man drill, half Mandela. My band about 70 strong, just like fella. Yeah, Park Melly Mel, Park Van Helen, and we represent Illidale, where they still rebelling. They yo, sicko show like Mike Moore's. My city ain't nothing like yours. Slipping in the darkness like war, night crawl with the lights off. You see a lot of life lost for the white horse. Regardless, the charges making assault targets all on the red carpet. Guns from the black market. Hey, who got the politicians in their back pocket? Pimp slap, pump that, give me that profit. When you make contact, give me that gossip. If you break contract, you be that hostage. They getting busy in the city, it's wrong. Better deadbolt the door, it ain't safe no more.
March winds and April showers, take away what we say flowers, and then comes June, and you. March winds and April showers, romance moves through the hours, and outdoor paradise for two.
Approach with caution, be cautious. We're talking to bosses. I feel I've been through a metamorphosis. I'm mutated by unknown forces. The feeling of courses, something that's hard to describe. I'm half dead, never felt more alive. Reborn, remove the gold coins from my eyes. I've been down, but now I'm back up. I'm about to act up, boy, you better back up. And when you see me set up shop, know to pack up. I crack up when a rapper gets slapped up. Number one reason y'all should give rap up. Dice, it's mine, I got it all wrapped up. I'm kinda like W.E.B. Du Bois. Meets Heavy D and the boys, smooth as a Rolls Royce. Built like a tank, smoking on gang. Walking through the Guggenheim, raw life, black ink.
March winds and April showers, take away what we say flowers, and then comes June, and you. March winds and April showers, make way for happy dollars, and then June time, fall time.
Now on your mark, get set, go cop everything you ever heard about P crack, dice raw and black, fuck the internet, buy a baseball bat, break a bootleg elect, all I listen to is bets, you fresh off the step, I come directly at your OG neck, I'm used to the 1-2 check, not the 1-2 step, I'm strapped, I leave every cat among you wet, now let's go. You know I'm politically incorrect at this show. I started with a can I get a hoe? And the hoes go retarded the pope. Tape off the stage for caution. It's Badlands, North Philly, get it in. It's crack man, used to backspin. Now I spin stacks and sacks. And Uncle Sam tryna tax all my hard-earned raps. Damn, we making yens, pesos, euros. We representing
South side, north side, west side.